Welcome to Career Services. Today we're going to teach you how to create a profile in Handshake. First, you're going to start by going to the Career Services portal through My Macomb. When you do, you're going to select the Macomb career link for students. Once you do that, you'll be taken to the sign-in page for Handshake. Once you're there, you're going to punch in Macomb Community College into the first prompt, and you'll get a Macomb Community College sign-on. What you're going to want to do is enter your Macomb issued address. So make sure you put in the email address that was issued to you through Macomb. Once you have that place, then we're going to submit it. Hit Next. We're going to start filling out the profile in our face through Handshake. And here we're going to put our first name, our last name, we're going to add majors, and we're going to put our education level. And we're going to estimate our graduation date because that may change. You can see here they have a list of options. Do your best to guess. Now, once you submit that, you're going to wait on an email. If you use your Macomb issued email, it should take just a couple of hours. Within a day, you'll have access to this. But in the meantime, what you can do is you can see some of the things to explore while you're waiting. Now, once your email is approved, you'll be able to access the main profile page. What you'll find there is that it's going to ask for different work and volunteer experience. It's going to ask for your education, which you actually already did on that first page, so punch that right in for you. But what you want to do is you want to fill out your volunteer experience. Wherever that's been, it'll be different for everybody. Some people may not have any. In that case, you might want to work on getting some of those done. And what happens is, once you fill these out, it sort of adds to your profile. Different skill sets, different opportunities based on what you input there. So you want to be pretty precise. Now, it's also going to ask you for organizations or extracurricular activities that you've done. Here's a good place to list some clubs or organizations that you've been a part of. For the purposes of this, we're going to say Phi Theta Kappa, and you'd be an ambassador in that situation. Again, you'll fill out all the details, dates, things that you did. It's important to put these things in here to show that you have extracurriculars that you've done. You can also go into the courses, and you can list off some of the courses that you've taken, and this will help. Again, create your profile and help establish sort of a matrix of things that you're capable of. You can also fill in the personal information as much or as little as you'd like. This is not mandatory, but it's a good tool to use to sort of help establish your profile. Also, there's going to be a section here called My Journey. And there, you should put a nice paragraph about yourself, sort of detailing who you are, what it is you seek, why you're on Handshake. And on the left-hand side, this is a good resource here. What we're going to input is our interests, what we're on the lookout for, what locations we're looking for them in, and what are the actual roles that we're looking for. So you can see there's many different options here. If I go to accounting, this is an example. You can input a couple different search parameters, type in different careers, number of them. So you can see we're not just limited to one or two things. There's many options here. So once you input all of this info into your profile, you can actually upload pictures if you would like. Optional. You can upload a resume to do all of these things. And once you do, that'll help actually establish your profile. Once your profile is created, you'll start receiving emails that have job opportunities based on what you input into your profile. So you can see here, there's a number of different things. Thank you for joining us at Career Services and learning how to create a profile in Handshake.